In 2026, the United States executed one of its largest military deployments to the Middle East, combining powerful naval strike groups, advanced stealth aircraft, missile defense networks, and strategic regional air bases. The overall strategy was focused on deterrence, rapid retaliation capability, and maintaining dominance across air, sea, and land domains. The core of this military presence remained the carrier strike groups. The USS Abraham Lincoln operated as a mobile nuclear-powered air base capable of launching sustained combat air missions far from American territory. The USS Gerald R. introduced advanced electromagnetic aircraft launch systems, allowing faster and more efficient aircraft deployment during high-intensity operations. The USS George H.W. Bush provided additional strike endurance and command coordination support for long-term operations. Carrier air wings included advanced fighter aircraft. The F-35 Lightning II delivered precision strike capability while remaining difficult to detect by enemy radar systems. The F-22 Raptor focused on dominating enemy air forces and securing aerial control. The F-15E Strike Eagle provided heavy bombing capability over long distances. The F-16 Fighting Falcon offered flexible interception and close air support missions. Carrier-based combat aviation was reinforced by naval fighters and electronic warfare aircraft. The F/A-18E Super Hornet performed both air combat and ground attack missions. The EA-18G Growler played a critical role in disabling enemy radar and communication networks, improving survivability of strike aircraft. Long-range strategic bombing was handled by stealth bombers. The B-2 Spirit was capable of penetrating heavily defended airspace and striking hardened underground targets with precision. Surveillance, intelligence, and battlefield control were maintained through airborne command systems. The E-2 Hawkeye detected incoming threats at long distances. The E-3 Sentry functioned as a flying command center, coordinating air battles and monitoring regional airspace. Logistics and operational endurance were maintained by transport and refueling fleets. The C-17 Globemaster III rapidly transported troops and heavy military equipment. The KC-135 Stratotanker and KC-465 Pegasus allowed aircraft to remain airborne for extended missions. Unmanned warfare also played a major role. The MQ-9 Reaper conducted persistent reconnaissance and precision strike missions without risking pilot lives. Naval protection and underwater warfare were handled by warships and submarines. The USS McFall provided missile defense and long-range strike capability using advanced radar-guided weapons. Attack submarines operating secretly in the region provided silent intelligence gathering and surprise strike capability. Ground-based missile defense networks protected U.S. forces and allies. The Patriot missile system intercepted enemy aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles. The THAAD provided protection against ballistic missile attacks at higher atmospheric levels. Regional base deployments strengthened operational reach. Major forces were stationed at Udeid Air Base, which serves as a central U.S. air operations hub in the region. Additional deployments were reported at Prince Sultan Air Base, supporting missile defense and fighter operations. The Muwafiq Salti Air Base was used for advanced airstrike coordination and drone operations. Strategically, this entire buildup represents a layered warfare doctrine. Carriers provide mobility and offensive air power. Stealth fighters and bombers perform precision strikes. Destroyers, submarines, and missile defense systems protect naval and ground forces. Airborne surveillance aircraft maintain battlefield awareness. Regional bases ensure rapid deployment and sustained combat endurance.